how to buy WaterMinder token. So this token came under the symbol of WMDR. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It's created just 7 months ago, and increased by 700% in the last 24 hours. So to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address, and as you can see, this token, it came under the Solana network. Now I prefer to use the fund to wallet for that. Just click on it, and now here click on swap. Now make sure to select the Solana token from the top. Now click here and paste token as soon as you. And as you can see, this our token. Now click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. So after that, scroll down a little bit, and you will be able to find his token, click on it, and after that, you will be able to redirect you to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete buy process. So this is how to buy WMDR token. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.